Hello everyone, our project deals about secure data transfer in a peer-to-peer network. We have done this project under the guidance of Shankara Babu sir, and our project mates are Shravani Reddy, Priyanka, Kavita and myself Nivedita. Abstract. The peer-to-peer file sharing application are becoming increasingly popular and account for more than 70% of the internet's bandwidth usage. Measurement studies show several hours depending on the level of network congestion or the capacity fluctuation. Introduction. Peer-to-peer technology is heavily used for content distribution applications, where content distribution is a centralized one in which the server provides simply set up a server and every user downloads files from it. In this type of network architecture, many users have to compete for limited resources in terms of bottleneck bandwidth or processing power of a single server. As a result, each user may receive very poor performance. From a single user's perspective, the duration of a download session or the download time for the individual user is the most often used performance metric. Peer-to-peer technology tries to solve the issue of scalability by making the system distributed. Each computer in the network can act both as a server and a client. When a peer completes downloading some files from the network, it can become a server to service other peers in the network. It is obvious that as time goes on, the service capacity of the entire network will increase due to increase in the number of servicing peers. Existing system. Content distribution is a centralized one where the content is distributed from the centralized server to all clients requesting the document. Client sends request to the centralized server for downloading the file. Server accepts the request and sends the file as response to the request. In most client-server setups, the server is a dedicated computer whose entire purpose is to distribute files. The proposed system. In proposed system, peer-to-peer content distribution provides more resilience and higher availability through wide-scale replication of content at large number of peers. A peer-to-peer content distribution community is a collection of intermediately connected nodes, with each node contributing storage, content and bandwidth to the rest of the community. The peer-to-peer file sharing networks had a centralized server system. This system controls traffic amongst the users. The hardware specifications we use are processors Pentium 4, speed is 1.1 GHz, RAM is 512 megabytes, hard disk is 40 GB. General hardware specifications are keyboard, monitor, mouse, etc. Software specification. Operating systems we used are Windows XP. Software Java JDK 1.5. Protocol is UDP protocol. Features. Secure data transfer of media files. Only authenticated client can access the transferred media files. There is no data loss during transmission, so at receiving end, the media file can view with maximum quality. It is possible to transfer this media file to more than one destination securely at the same time, having enough CPU power and bus bandwidth to support the required data rates. Now let us see the screenshots. Execution process. Initially we have to run the server program, and then all the four peer programs have to be run. Here we are representing four peers as four different systems in our project. Initially, after running the server program, near file we have to select the option in order to browse a file so that we can transfer it to the client. Here the server browses all the files and makes in availability to the clients, where the client, if necessary, will download the program necessary and then it downloads and saves in it. After browsing, we can transfer to the clients. The client will receive the client will receive the packet, receive the file in such a way that it divides the file into equal number of packets, and then each packet is sent to the client in order to avoid data loss, and then it helps in maximum picture viewability. After the file is successfully uploaded, we can run the client program and then download and then save it. Thank you.